How to fix copy-paste not working in Microsoft Word. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, open Run and type the following command. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, clearing the clipboard history can sometimes resolve issues where the clipboard is not functioning correctly, affecting the copy-paste functionality in Word. Alternatively, restart your computer, which also clears the clipboard. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work,